Welcome to another episode of Absolute Talks. Today I'd like to share with you a great new solution from Atlantis Superstructures called Atlantis Healing Abutment. Mostly when we restore implants in the anterior, we place an immediate temp to sculpt the tissue before we go to our final restoration, allowing us to create beautiful results like behind me. When we work in the posterior, it becomes a little bit more challenging to contour the tissue with a broad emergence custom abutment. Atlantis Superstructures recently launched a great new innovative product called Atlantis Abutment to help us restore those implants in the posterior section where a broad emergence is often a problem in a tight tissue cuff. This allows our surgeon to take an impression at surgery stage, send that to Absolute, we'll create the healing abutment, and 2 days later, you place that in the patient's mouth. At Absolute, we also have the ability through our NavaGation guided solutions to guide the implant, plan the case, and then plan this custom healing abutment from the start, meaning we can deliver a box with your guide and your healing abutment ready to go at surgery stage. We are very excited about this product. We know it's going to make a huge difference in how we restore implants, especially in the posterior. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at absolutedentallab.com. We are excited to process your next case with you. Stay safe, everybody.